The third one, guard your inputs. What you watch, what you listen to, what you scroll through, it shapes you. You've got a choice. Are you going to look at that sex scene on TV or not? You've got a choice. Don't come and blame Hollywood for your bad choices. You've got a choice. Are you going to take in wholesome things that's going to be good for your soul or not? Because trust me, if I'm looking and me and my wife are sitting and watching a movie and there's this explicit sex scene on TV, am I honoring my wife? Am I honoring God? No. She's actually waiting for me to put the TV off or change the channel. Whatever you watch, whatever you listen to, whatever you scroll through, shape your life. Hear what Philippians 4 verse 8 says. Finally, brethren, whatever things are true, whatever things are noble, whatever things are just, whatever things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are of good report, if there are any virtue and if there is anything praiseworthy, meditate on these. If what you are consuming doesn't pass this filter, cut it out. So, if it's not true, cut it out. If it's not noble, cut it out. If it's not pure, cut it out. If it's not lovely, cut it out. If it's not of good report, cut it out. If it's not of any virtue or praiseworthy, cut it out. And you might say, but no, I've cut out the whole life. No, you haven't. You've cut all the bad things out of life. And guess what? Now God can move.